Hello everyone, this is Santosh Kumar again, and this is the project on machine learning of Zomato EDA project. So, my project have cohort Geneva, my class is cohort Geneva, and my project name is Zomato Machine Learning Project, and project contribution individual. So, this is the summary of my project. Project description. Zomato is an Indian restaurant aggregator and food delivery startup founded by Dipender Goyal and Pankaj Chadda in 2008. Zomato provides information, menus, and user reviews of restaurant and also has food delivery option from partner restaurants in selected cities. Uh, India is quite famous for its diverse multi-cuisine available in large number of restaurant and hotel resorts, which is a sign of unity in diversity. Restaurant business in India is always evolving. More Indians are warming up to the idea of eating restaurant food, whether by dining outside or getting food delivered. So the growing up number of restaurants in every state of India have been motivation to inspect the data to get some insights. Interesting fact and figures about the Indian food industry in each city. So the this project focuses on analyzing the Zomato restaurant data for each city in India. This project focus on the customers and company. We have to analyze the sentiments of reviews given by the customer in data and make some useful concise in form of the visualization. Also cluster the Zomato restaurant different segments. The data is visualized as it become easy to analyze. Data is instant. So the analysis can also solve some of the business cases that can directly help the customer finding the best restaurant in their locality and for their company to grow up the work in the fields they are currently logging in. This could help in clustering the restaurant into segments. Also, the data has valuable information around the cuisine of and costing, which can be used in cost versus benefit analysis data, identifying the criticized in the industry. So, dataset description is we have used main library for Panda pandas for data manipulation and aggregation, matplotlib and seaborn for visualization, machine learning behavior with the respect to the target variable numpy for computa- computationally efficient operations, SKSIT SCI kit for learn for modeling building of project architecture. So this is the GitHub link. And so this is the machine based learning analysis for Zomato. Objective of that, the research investigation of the Zomato restaurant dataset through the comprehensive exploratory data analysis and the machine learning techniques to identify key predictors of restaurant success, develop accurate rating prediction models, and provide actionable insights for the stakeholder. So this is the method of that and conclusion of that the study demonstrates the efficacy, efficacy of the assemble learning methods for restaurant rating prediction and provides the framework for data driven decision making in the food service industry. The findings have implication for restaurant optimization strategies and customer experience enhancement and platform algorithm development. So keywords used in this: Zomato machine learning, exploratory data analysis, restaurant analytics, predictive modeling, random forest, uh, enhancement methods of feature engineering, and table of contents. So this is the introduction part, and with the literature review, methodology, data description, EDA, EDA have univariate analysis, bivariate analysis, multivariate analysis, correlation analysis, outlier detection, and geographic distribution. And feature engineering have feature creation, feature transformation, feature selection, and dimensionality reduction. Then model development, result analysis, discussion, references. So this is the introduction part of that. The digital revolution has fundamentally transformed the restaurant industry, creating an ecosystem where the data driven insights drive competitive advantage. Food delivery and restaurant discovery platform have emerged as critical intermediate between the consumers and food establishment, generating massive volumes of structured and unstructured data. Among these platforms, Zomato stands as on the world's leading restaurant aggregator and food delivery service operating across 24 countries and serving millions of users daily. The platform's success lies in its ability and aggregate comprehensive restaurant information, including menus, reviews, ratings, location data, and operational details, creating a rich data repository that affects consumer preferences during dining trends, and restaurant performance metrics. So this is the industry context. Global online food delivery market projected reach $320 billion by 2029. 60% of consumers are restaurant discovery apps at least once per week. Average restaurant rating influences 94% of dining decisions. Data driven restaurants shows 20 to 30% higher customer retention rates. So this is the digital transformation in food services. Predictive demand forecasting, dynamic pricing optimization, personalized recommendation system, customer sentiment analysis, and operation efficiency enhancement. So we have the problem statement for that: rating prediction, accuracy, feature complexity, data quality issues, actionable insight gap, and model integrity. So these are the objectives, and we'll go to programming part after that. So research design phase 1: business understanding, data preparation, exploratory analysis, modeling, evaluation, development, and reporting. So we have load data with error handling, initial quality check for shape verification, column name standardization, and data type assessment, memory usage optimization. Then outlier detection, step 3, outlier detection and treatment. So we will discuss after that. Uh, we will go to the next part of programming. Before, so this is the analysis part, and so this is the programming part. So we have imported all libraries. Import numpy as np, import pandas as pd, seaborn as sns, matplotlib pilot pyplot as plt. From seaborn widgets import color palette and import plotly and import plotly express as px. So we have mounted the drive first. So drive will be already mounted, it is showing. So we have imported the file location and read the file csv, and we have need the install flask calls for the data analysis. So we have initialized that. So we have import required libraries and machine learning libraries. So there have different libraries for in python to solve the eda project. And so we had set the style. So data load, we have loaded the data with the help of python by the google drive. So we have assuming a common column to merge on just concatenate, they have same structures. So we have handled the error also. Step 2, initial data exploration. So this is the data structure and we have printed that. Then the data quality assessment. So we have printed that. After that, data type summary we have made for the KPI dashboard creation for that. So we have calculate the KPI and add dynamic KPI based on common columns, rating, reviews, etc. After that we have used the numeric feature analysis, correlation analysis. After that, step 7. So there have the advanced categorical analysis. So this is the programming part, and we use the box plot for outliers detection. And after that, feature engineering also included in this project. and we have used the machine learning models for that. After that, model training and evaluation. So there have many parts: model comparison and visualization. So after that, we have used the conclusion and summary part. uh, we are running this project, so it is connecting to python 3 terminal, mounting google drive first. So then executing the program. So this is the program output. This is making for project bar charts and pie charts, all charts for different analysis. So these are the charts for that, and different KPI used for. So after running this program, we have output that. So food hygiene restaurant in Hyderabad's hottest great foods. So this is the list for Zomato, and so reviews, rating, statistical summary, links of count. We have count the links. So different uh, flavors used for in many restaurant. Also food hygiene restaurant in Hyderabad, that is showing. Then data quality assessment, missing value analysis, duplicate rows. We have found it that. After that, KPI based. So total records are 10,069, total features 13, numeric features 12, categorical features so 12, missing value 0, duplicate rows 36, and memory used it 12.30 MB. So so this is the Zomato KPI dashboard. So we have made the pie charts for rating distribution. So it is showing category categorical distribution analysis. Numeric feature analysis. After that, so this is used for the distribution analysis. After that, correlation analysis. After that, advanced categorical analysis. Then 10 Downing Street, Paradise, Frisco. So different charts we have used for that in analysis part. So this is the end of project. Not showing the summary of that. Then so the project conclusion. So this is the summary part of that. Machine learning, we have successfully trained and evaluated 8 regression model. The best performing model found as the gradient boosting achieving the R square score. So this indicates the model explains and significant portion of the variance. Key factors of metadata encoded 0.3665, reviews encoded and reviewer encoded, restaurant encoded, time encoded, and next step for that further refine feature engineering and experiment with the hyperparameter tuning for the best model, exploring other advanced ML model, XGBoost and Light GBM, implement cross validation more extensively, and consider deploying the best model and API for real time prediction. So, thanks for watching.